Hey Tech Explorers, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready for an awesome story? I know I am. Meet Leo. Leo was a super curious kid who loved two things more than anything: his fluffy dog, Rusty, and gadgets. One day, Leo's dad brought home a brand new box. It was sleek and shiny. Leo, wow, Dad. What is that, Dad? This, Leo, is the helper. It's a small robot that can learn to do simple tasks. It's a basic artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Leo looked at the little robot. It was a round, white machine with two wheels and one big, friendly blue light for an eye. When they turned it on, the light blinked. Beep boop. Leo giggled. I'm gonna call you Sparky. Leo, okay Sparky. First mission. Can you find Rusty's favorite toy? It's a red, squeaky ball. Sparky's blue light blinked. It didn't know what a red, squeaky ball was. It needed data. It needed to learn. This is called machine learning. Super cool, right? So, Leo showed Sparky the ball. This is the ball, Sparky. It's red, and when I squeeze it, squeak. It makes a noise. Sparky's camera zoomed in on the ball. Its light blinked faster. Whir! It was saving the information. The color red, the round shape, and the squeaky sound. It was learning. Leo, all right, let's test it. Hide your eyes, Sparky. Leo took the red ball and hid it under the sofa cushion. Leo, okay. Sparky, find the red, squeaky ball. Sparky rolled out into the living room. Its mission had started. First, it used its camera, which is a sensor, to scan the room. It looked for the color red. It saw a red book on the table. It rolled over. Beep! It gently nudged the book. No, squeak. That wasn't it. The data didn't match. Then, it saw a red apple in the fruit bowl. It rolled to the kitchen. Boop! It circled the apple. No, squeak. Wrong object. Leo was watching and giggling. You can do it, Sparky. Sparky stopped in the middle of the room. Its light blinked slowly. It was thinking. It was processing all the information. This is like the robot's brain, called a processor. It had scanned everywhere it could see. Now it had to try something new. It had a little microphone to listen for sounds. Leo smiled and gave a tiny hint. He secretly squeezed the cushion a little bit. Squeak! It was a very quiet sound. But Sparky's microphone sensor picked it up. Ding! A new piece of data? Sparky's wheels turned, and it rolled right up to the sofa. It knew the sound came from there. It used its little robot arm to lift the edge of the cushion. And there it was, the red, squeaky ball. Beep boop beep. Sparky's light flashed happily. Mission complete. Leo cheered. You did it, Sparky. You used your camera sensor and your sound sensor to find the ball. You're the best helper ever. Rusty the dog ran over, grabbed his ball, and gave Sparky a happy lick. So you see, Tech Explorers, technology like AI isn't magic. It just follows instructions and uses its sensors to gather information or data to solve a problem, step by step. Isn't that awesome? What would you teach a little robot helper to do? Let me know in the comments below. That's all for today. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech adventures. See you next time.